A fulfilling career should not rob you of the adventures and travels you want to experience in life. Colville Inc. offers their employees a healthy work-life balance and a successful career.
Colville has a very proud legacy. The Helmrichs family actually homesteaded in the 1950s, long before the state of Alaska was even identified as a state and long before there was any discoveries. Starting with our core business, which is Colville Inc. Colville is the sole provider of fuel on the North Slope.
We own the largest tank farm in Prudhoe Bay. We service pretty much everybody on the North Slope with different products of fuel.
It's a diverse group of companies. We have the fuel and transport division, aviation, towing, and then the division I work for, Brooks Range Supply. It's a well-established industrial supply company in Prudhoe Bay, providing everything the slope needs to run. It's just a one-stop shop in a very remote location of Alaska.
So in Alaska, we face many challenges. Most of them are because Prudhoe Bay is really rural. Anchorage and Fairbanks are modern, but yet everything that goes to the North Slope is based on either air traffic or road traffic. We at Brooks Range and Colville have set up a unique chain with consolidations both in Seattle, Anchorage, and Prudhoe Bay, so we can move things fairly quickly to supply our customers. We're able to set them up for success because we're set up for success.
There's so many vital pieces to delivering fuel on North Slope. You got to have your equipment up to snuff. You got to have the personnel that can run the equipment. You got to have seasoned mentors up there that can bring new people that have never seen the North Slope and obviously get them trained to operate and work safely in that kind of environment.
Our work environment, it's gorgeous. There's wildlife everywhere. And if you're able to be a driver, you get to go out and see places that nobody else gets to see. You cross 3 mountain ranges. You travel to one of the largest rivers in the United States. It's spectacular.
We just provide a very comfortable atmosphere, family culture, everything's relaxed, a nice place to stay, everything's provided, PPE, all your work gear, food, housing, flights, everything's set. You go up there and not to worry anything about, but doing your job safely, get through your hitch, and then go enjoy your family life.
There's a lot of opportunity because it's not a job. It truly is a career. No one here wants a guy to take a job and stay in that job. They want your knowledge to move with you. They want your experience to be passed on below you. They truly base us on a family program. We are all friends. We work together well. All the entities work as one, even though we're 3 different or 4 different companies at times.
You get people that are up there for 2 weeks, sometimes 3 weeks at a time, and their families are at home, and so they build these surrogate families with those that they work with. The family culture was started before my time. My business partner, Mark Helmrich, started it when he worked up there. He and his family have created a legacy of over 45 years of this organization. Our employees, our workforce are valued, and we care about them, and they in turn care about each other. That creates and perpetuates this family environment where everybody knows everybody and truly cares about each other. Safety on the North Slope or in our industry is what I consider our license to operate. What's dear to my heart is that every employee goes home without an injury.
My journey in Colville, I was a lineman in North Carolina. Ended up coming across the ad for Colville, put it in a job application, was accepted. Ended up here running as an equipment operator. Did that for a few months, then I switched over to the shop, did that for about 3.5 years on nights. Then I ended up transferring to the tank farm for about 2.5 years. Moved over to hauling bulk fuel. From there, I moved into solid waste. And then at that point, we needed an equipment operator, so I moved into that division. 2 years later, I moved into operations manager.
There's almost $15 billion of projects that have been announced, and they need Colville in more ways than we even know at this point in time. So it leads us to be creative, to leverage all things that we've got, the team environment, the creativity, the scrappiness, and the longevity of our employees. All those things are in preparation for the future to continue to grow with the legacy that's already been built and to meet the needs of the customer.
A thriving career should not rob you of life outside the office. Colville offers a family work environment, a flexible schedule, generous benefits, on-the-job training, and a successful, long-term career. Contact us. Take the first step towards a career that values you. Start enjoying your life and your work today.